Do this incline chest press with dumbbells 3 times a week and watch your strength soar, even if you feel stuck or too busy to see results. I get it, finding time to work out at home can be tough, and sometimes it feels like nothing's changing. But this simple move is a game changer. Here is the deal. The incline chest press targets your upper chest and shoulders, helping you build strong muscles that not only look great but power up your everyday activities, carrying groceries, pushing doors, or playing sports. Using dumbbells means you get to work both sides of your body equally, which improves balance and keeps you injury-free. Start by grabbing a pair of dumbbells and lying back on an inclined surface like a bench or a sturdy chair. Press the weights up while keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Feel your chest tightening with every push. The best part, because you control the weight, you're also working smaller muscles that help stabilize your body, making you stronger in ways machines can't. I know you might be thinking, will this really help me burn fat and get stronger fast? And the answer is yes. Strength training like this revs up your metabolism, so you burn calories even when you're resting. Plus, it's efficient. You don't need hours at the gym. Just a few focus sets, and you're done. Ready to turn frustration into progress. Imagine waking up feeling stronger, more confident, and ready to take on your day. Subscribe now and dive into the full playlist to unlock your best home workouts yet. The next move, it's waiting for you.